Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. Let's practice our songs. First, get your tambourine. Please play loud. Now play quiet. Now play fast. Good. Now play slow. Well done. All right. And now it's time for our song, Driving in My Car. All right, hold on to your tambourine. We're gonna drive. It goes like this. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. And then we see a red light and we stop. Red light, stop. What kind of sound does the car horn make? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Very good. What kind of sound do the windshield wipers make? They go swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. Very good. Next up, what kind of sound does the engine make? It goes Very good. And we have one more. You see a friend over there walking on the sidewalk and you say, hi, 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 hi. Very good. Now let's do the whole song. Are you ready? Let's sit down in your car seat and we are going to practice our song. Here comes the guitar. We count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. One more time. Are you driving? Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. Red light, stop. What kind of sound does the car horn make? It goes beep, 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 and we drive. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. Red light, stop! What kind of sound do the windshield wipers make? They go swish, swish. So let's do it together. Swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. And we drive. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. Red light, stop! What kind of sound does the engine make? It goes. And we drive. Are you ready? Here we go. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. Red light, stop! You see your friends over there and you say hi. Are you ready? You get your tambourine and you hold it up high and you say hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. And we drive one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving in our way to Kentucky, driving in my car, driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Kentucky, driving in my car. Red light, stop! Well done. And if you got that far, maybe you want to practice another song. You all know it. It's called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And you can keep your tambourine and we just rise it up and pull it down again. Yeah, so we go like that. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's sing it together, okay? Keep your tambourines and we try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All right, my friends, that's it. Keep practicing your songs and I see you soon. All the best. Have a wonderful day and bye-bye.